Hello, welcome to Expert Concrete Training. I'm on site at a project and I see a couple of conditions and I just thought I would share some little tips or tricks with you guys. So what I'm going to show you today, so this is a remodel project that used to be a mechanic's garage. I think this was a Firestone. So what you have is you have all these metal pins that used to hold car lifts. And so on some of them, you can see that the contractor, the general contractor, somebody has come through and cut some of them off, pretty flush with the slab. On others though, they didn't cut them off. What they did is they actually maybe these pins were sticking up an inch or two above the slab. They just used the sledgehammer and beat them into the concrete. So that's great because it gets it down below the area that you're going to polish. But what happens when you beat that pin down, you drive it through the vapor barrier, opening up a hole for moisture to come through the slab. That'll be a big issue later on in this project. So the right way to do it is to cut them and then grind them down a little bit so that you can use a small repair type product to fill the hole. The right process is to cut them down so that they're a quarter inch or so below the level of the slab, so that you can use small repair products to fill the hole. So that's the right way. Some of these have been beaten down, some of them have been cut off, but they still have to be lowered a little bit more. Good luck, thanks, have a great day.